Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President, respected teachers, and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Indeed, it is an honor for me to have an opportunity to express my simple thoughts on the topic, construct your role of youth in nation building. Respected teachers, youth is the future citizen of a country which represents a highly dynamic, energetic, and highly ambitious population of a country. Youth is the most significant phase of human development in which every aspect of life is in full swing. Youth is full of enthusiasm and energy. Youth is full of talent and creativity. Youth is full of thoughts and passion. Respected fellows, nation building usually refers to a constructive process of engaging all citizens in building social cohesion, economic prosperity, and political stability of a nation in a democratic way. In simple words, nation building means all the citizens are to be involved in building a nation. Thus, the involvement of a citizen in nation development is must. Honorable President, the role of youth in nation building is very important. Youth can change the direction of a nation. If the role of youth in nation is passive, then the development process of a nation will be slow. If the role of youth in nation is destructive, then it destroys a nation. If the role of youth in nation is constructive, then it builds a nation. Respected teachers, currently in Pakistan, 64% population consists of youth. If we educate, guide, and train our youth in the right direction, our nation will be one of the best nations in the world. If we utilize our youth's strength, power, and energy positively, our nation will be the most prominent nation in the world. If we give our youth proper social and moral training in our institutions and homes, our nation will be the most civilized nation in the world. Honorable President, in today's world, the role of science and technology is indispensable. If we want to develop our country, we should provide opportunity to our youth to learn a lot of things related to science and technology. If we want to develop our country, we should provide opportunity to our youth to research in the field of science and technology and then take out fruitful result. Dear fellows, some of our scientists are holding important positions in the well-known space agency NASA USA. Pakistani student Umair Masood is still in his 30s and he has solved various difficult problems. He was rewarded Young Scientist of 2021. So we can rightly say that youth is the building block of a nation, youth is the pillar of a nation, youth is the powerhouse of a nation, and youth is the pet changer of a nation. Respected teachers, youth can also play its role politically in the building of a nation. Youth can be a member of parliament to become voice of thousands of people. Youth can be a policy maker for the prosperity of a nation. Youth can participate in making decision process and make decision fruitful. Dear fellows, looking back in history, Pakistan movement became successful due to the efforts of youth. It was the spirit, passion, and power of youth that made Pakistan movement successful. Honorable President, we are living in the modern world and we believe that nothing is impossible. We became a nuclear power in 1998. In the court list, Pakistan Army is the 9th most powerful army in the world. Our country has a lot of natural resources. Our climate is suitable for all types of crops and fruits. But there is a need of planning, awareness, and motivation in our youth. Let us motivate our youth to work hard for the progress of our country. Let us motivate our youth to get quality education. Let us motivate our youth to become a patriotic citizen of our country. Let us motivate our youth to eradicate corruption from our country. Let us motivate our youth to remove all hurdles in the way of becoming a best nation in the world. Let this start with us. Let's begin the struggle. Together, today, right here, right now. Let's begin the struggle now. Thank you so much. Wassalam.